Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aryan Rasar and today I am going to show you how to make a science toy that is a robotic hand. So watch this video full to know how to make it, and also like and share this video and subscribe my channel. So let's see how to make a science toy. Your first step is you need a cardboard sheet like this, and your next step will be to draw your hand size with a marker pen. You need to draw something like this, and your next step is to cut it with a scissor. And you need to cut some structure like this. And your next step is to take a scale and do folds on these fingers. So I have made the folds on these fingers. So, isn't it looking like our hand? So, that's it. Now we will move towards our next step. Let's move towards next step. So, your next step is to take one more cardboard sheet. Then put this your hand like this till the wrist. Can you see these two ends? And then take a marker and mark points. You should mark the points somewhat away with a distance. See, I have marked the points here. One is here and one is here. And I can put this like this. See, there is distance between your hand and 2 points. So this marking should be done by you. And as per your markings, then cut it with a scissor. I have cut some shape like this according to my marking, and like this you can see it fits with my markings, and you should put some gap between your hand and the end points. These are the end points. And take a marking where your hand finishes. So as you can see, my hand finishes over here. So make a straight line over here. And take one more cardboard sheet which should be bigger than this, which should be bigger than your marking sheet. So your next step is to put your marking or cardboard sheet that you have taken first, and now take the outlines on the other cardboard sheet and make an outline of this cardboard on this. And your next step is to cut this black line accurately. As you can see, I have taken marking of this hand in the other cardboard sheet as well. You need to do the same and then cut that line. So I have cut it and you can see it is here. You can see I have put the original cardboard sheet here and the second one that we have made over here, and put it accurately on the line. As you can see, here is the line, and then mark where you can make two pieces or two parts of this cardboard sheet, front one. So I will mark over here. So as you can see, I have marked here, and you need to cut this line as well. So I have my two pieces or two parts of that front cardboard sheet, and your next step is to paste them under this line. It should be very accurately. You can paste them with a Fevikwik or a Fevicol. So let's paste them. So as you can see, I have pasted them on this main cardboard sheet, and now see whether your hand is fitting on it or not. So as you can see, as I have taken right markings and my hand is fitting on this, so then stick your hand as well. So as you can see, I have pasted my hand on this structure. Your next step is, as you can see, this cardboard sheet over here, take a mark of the cardboard sheet on another cardboard sheet, and I have did that. So as you can see, I have taken the mark and then accurately cut it. And after cutting this same size, then stick this on our cardboard sheet. As you can see, I have stick it as well. So our structure is ready, and let's move towards our next step. Next step is to cut a cardboard piece like this, and take your hand, then fold this cardboard sheet like this. As you can see, I have folded it, and now see whether it fits on your sides. See, when you will stick this, it will look somewhat like this. Now I will show you. I will stick it and I will now show you. So as you can see, I have stick it. I have used a sellotape and I have also used a Fevikwik to stick it. So it will look like something like this. So for your next step, you need straws and you need to cut the straws. So the amount of straws you need to cut depends upon how many folds you have made. So as you can see, I have made 3 folds on each finger. See, first fold, second fold and third fold. But for one finger you need 4 pieces of straw. That means from one straw you need to cut 4 pieces. So as you can see, I have cut these pieces from the straws. This is for our thumb. You might think these are only 3, these are 4, but why they are only 3? They are 3 because our thumb is shorter. It is shorter than all the fingers. So therefore we need less pieces of straws. And now stick your pieces of straws on your fingers, step by step and slow. So as you can see, I have stick all the straws with the help of Fevikwik on the fingers. So we will move towards our next step. The next step is so easy. And your next step is to cut one more piece of cardboard, same like this, and stick it somewhat far away from this. You need to keep some distance. It should be 15 or 10 centimeter from the first one. So as you can see, our structure is ready, and your last and next step is you need to put this thread from here from the straw to the end, and then stick the thread to the ends of this, and then it will be ready. So everyone, our mechanical hand or robotic hand is ready, and now let's test its power. So see. So as you can see, it can also carry a cardboard sheet. I thank IISF for giving me this opportunity to show you how to make a robotic hand at your home. So I thank IISF for giving me this big opportunity. So bye friends, and also subscribe my channel. So do you know how and what is the science behind our robotic hand or mechanical hand? So let me tell you. You watched that it also had fingers. It also had folds that our finger has, like this. It could also bend. So it also works like bone, our mechanical hand. And you also know that our muscles can only pull, but they cannot push. So it also works in the same phenomena. If we do our hand like this, then the robotic hand will also come back. But afterwards, it cannot push like this in speed you saw in the video. So this was a scientific reason for making the mechanical hand. So it is related to bones and muscles chapter.